everyone, I'm Asia. I'm glad you've joined me for our 10 Minutes of English bedtime stories. Tonight, I'll be reading you a Korean folktale called The Brother and Sister Who Became the Sun and the Moon. Shall we begin? A long time ago, deep in the mountains, a mother lived with her son and daughter. One day, the mother had to travel over hills to work at a house holding a feast. The children had to stay home alone. "My dear children," she said gently, "don't open the door for anyone while I'm away. Do you understand?" she warned before heading down the mountain path. "Yes, Mom," the children replied. After a long day of hard work, the mother received some rice cakes and began heading home. Just as she was about to cross the first hill, a big tiger suddenly appeared in front of her. "Grr, give me a rice cake and I won't eat you." Terrified, the mother gave the tiger a soft rice cake. The tiger gobbled it up in one bite. As she climbed the second hill, the tiger appeared again. "Give me a rice cake and I won't eat you," it said. The mother gave it another chewy rice cake. The tiger kept appearing at every hill. "These rice cakes are for my children." The mother hesitated, but in the end, she gave the tiger the last of her rice cakes. After eating the last one, the tiger quickly gobbled up the mother herself in the blink of an eye. Then, putting on the mother's clothes, the tiger headed to the children's house. "Kids, Mommy's home," the tiger said. "But our mom's voice is softer and higher," the sister said, tilting her head. "It's because I caught a cold walking in the chilly night air," the tiger replied. "If you're really our mom, show us your hand," said the brother suspiciously. The tiger stuck out its big furry paw. Sensing something was wrong, the brother peeked through the crack in the door and saw a giant tiger wearing their mom's clothes. "It's not Mom, it's a tiger. We have to run." He grabbed his younger sister's hand and they quietly slipped out the back door. They tiptoed into the backyard and quickly climbed a tree next to the well. When the tiger couldn't find the children, it looked around and saw their reflection in the water. "Kids, how did you get in there?" The sister giggled, and a leaf fell from the tree. "Aha! You're up in the tree." The tiger tried to climb the tree, but it was hard. "If you rub sesame oil on your paws, it'll be easier," said the clever sister. The tiger fell for the trick and rubbed sesame oil on its paws. But it kept slipping and falling with a loud thump each time. "You can just use an axe like a pick to climb up," said the sister by mistake. The tiger brought an axe and started edging its way up. The terrified brother tightly closed his eyes and prayed to the heavens. "If you want to save us, send us a strong rope. If not, send a rotten one." Tears streaming, the younger sister also prayed. Suddenly, a strong rope slid down from the sky, and the children climbed it higher and higher. Seeing this, the tiger also prayed for a rope. But this time, a rotten rope came down. The tiger excitedly climbed up, but halfway, the rope snapped and the tiger crashed to the ground. Meanwhile, the children safely reached the sky. From then on, the brother became the sun and the sister became the moon, lighting up the world. One day, the sister said, "Brother, I'm scared of the dark night." So the brave brother became the moon to comfort her, and the sister became the sun. Even now, they continue to shine and protect us from above. Did you enjoy today's story? Now it's time to gently fall asleep. Good night and sweet dreams.